time for an update, and I know I've been a little slower when concerns to my builds, but life has been getting in my way, so lately I don't have much time to update my channel, but I'm trying to do things as fast as possible. Now let's get to the bus itself, and I've been assembling all the stuff related to the frame and engine, and so far I cannot complain. Everything is attaching without any problems. Maybe the only reference I have to make is here with the front grille and the fan, because it has this, well, this cover here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It has a cover, and when attaching the front grille, that cover was bumping constantly in the fan, so I had to take the fan out, put the front grille, and then with some patience I was able to put the the fan here. Also, my apologies, because I forgot to turn on the camera when I was assembling the front grille, which was the only part where I had a little obstacle. But as you can see, so far, well, everything looks in its place. The paint, as you can see, is giving a very good finish to it, so they're very good paints. I like Umbral paints, so despite taking the time they take to dry. Also, since it's a very old kit, I believe it's an old kit, there are some details which are a little bit rough, but there's nothing much I can do. Which, for example, here the springs, the leaf springs, are not exactly the best thing in the world. Also, I had to drill a hole in the exhaust to make it a little bit more realistic, because it was filled, so looks much better this way. Other than that, nothing major to say. I already started the next step, which includes all the interior parts. It will be a long way till I get to the assembly part, because I have lots of benches to paint, the floor pan, the sides of the bus, the two roofs that it has. It has an inner roof, and then you put the outer one later. But that next step, all the parts are related to each other, so I need to paint them all before assembly. But I can show you just here. This is the back of the bus, and as you can see, it's painted outside and inside. These are 4 separate colors. That's why it's taking me quite some time to take care of it, because this color, it's not the same as this one. This is the outside part, this is the inside one, and then you can see lots of steps for the painting part, but I'm moving as fast as I can to make this build finished also as fast as I can, because this is not for me, this is for somebody who asked me to do it. And it's my first time that I build a bus, so still some unknown ground here for me, so I need to take things carefully and well, as I said, move as fast as possible, but not that fast that I could make some kind of mistake. But here it is, the first update with the Renault bus, and I can't promise I'll have another update soon, but as I said, and I'll repeat again, I'm moving as fast as I can, and life hasn't been easy for me in the last few weeks, so I'm really busy, and well, you get the point. So here it is, first update. I'll try to show you some more painting. I know it's hard for me to show you painting because the angle is not the best, and I'm really focused on painting when I'm doing so, so I cannot afford to look at the camera to see if I'm if the image is aligned, centered, whatever. I'm just focused on the painting, but I'll try to show you something. So this is it, update 1. Keep tuned, guys, and until then, take care and see you later.